Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. In today's video, we'll be checking out the brand new Amazfit GTS 2 right here. And as you know, I've been a huge fan of the Amazfit smartwatches, so naturally I was super excited when I got this device. But before I start off with the video, I just want to say a massive thank you to Dasher. So Dasher actually hooked this up for me so I can share with you guys this video. Dasher, basically, they have an online store on Lazada and Shopee. So if you're watching from Malaysia or Singapore and you want to buy some tech stuff, the guys to check out is Dasher. Once again, I'll leave the links down below. But yeah, let's get into this video right away. Alright, so right here I have the Amazfit GTS 2 like I said. I have my previous Amazfit GTS here just so I can use it for comparison's sake. So I have my Amazfit GTS for almost a year now, guys. This has been used for a year. And here we have the brand new guy, the Amazfit GTS 2. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this guy. But before I do, I just want to show you guys around the box what we have here. So apparently the new features that we have over the GTS 1 is the REM sleep tracking. Obviously, we have memory now in the watch itself, 4 GB, so we can play some music directly from the watch itself. Apart from that, flipping the box to the other side, we also have the same AMOLED display, a couple of nice stuff. But the main thing here is that we're getting a brand new design. So let's unbox this guy right here and let me show you what's in the box. So I am only seeing this for the first time as well. This is the first time I'm unboxing it, so I can't really tell what else comes in the box. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this guy real quick. Alright guys, I'm just trying to find out how to open this box. Oh, here we go guys. Alright, so are you guys ready to see the Amazfit GTS 2 here for the first time? This is the unboxing, and whoa guys, look at this. Woo! Wow, this is a really nice device, guys. Okay, so just so you know, my previous watch was the gray version, and I've always wanted to buy the black version. So this is it, guys. Let's remove this from the box and see what else we have. So right here, we get our new charger. Pretty cool. I'm going to see what else we have here. We do have some stuff in the box here. Oh, just some manuals as what you usually get. So, okay, nothing too much to see here. I guess we still just get the charger in the box as well as the watch itself. So let's take a quick look at the charger first and see if it's anything new or different. Let me just see how I can yank it out. Okay, so this is similar to the previous charger, guys. But yeah, let's put down the charger for now and focus on the watch itself. So this used to be like a sticker placed on the device, but I'm just gonna like try and remove this really quickly. Okay, it's a bit tough to get out. Okay, we have some plastics going on, and let me remove these plastics. And there you go, guys. Here we have the Amazfit GTS 2. So notice that it is a bit different on the sides here. I'm not sure about the new look and why they have to do this side. I'm not sure what you call it, but the previous one looked a bit more clean. But what I'm noticing here is the display looks a bit more curved on the edges. Let me just show you guys around this watch. At the back, we have this nice shiny back. So I'm just going to peel that out as well. I'm not too sure like how often you look at the back of your watch, but the previous one, the old GTS, was all in matte, and now we have this kind of like piano black finishing on the back. So the sensors look a bit more than the previous one. If you look side by side here, we see that we have a couple of more sensors at the back going on, so it should provide some more accurate kind of tracking. Definitely, I'll do a full tracking video. This is just the unboxing to show you guys what the Amazfit GTS 2 is all about. And the straps actually feels a bit similar to the old one as well. Obviously, mine is a custom strap here that I've changed out for, and this one actually feels pretty good. I would say it doesn't feel very premium. It feels okay. Some pretty nice soft silicones here that you can actually just like flip around. And notice here that we do have the latches here, very easy to remove once again from Amazfit. Yeah, this pretty much is the Amazfit GTS 2. So right now I'm going to turn this device on, get it set up and sync to my phone so I can show you guys more on the Amazfit GTS 2. Alright, so before I do that, meanwhile, let me just show you guys from the sides here. We do have a tiny mic here now. So apparently you can like make or answer calls on the watch itself. So that's pretty cool. A lot of new features compared to the previous one. That's it on the side here. Very clean sides. And on the back, like I said, it is the piano black kind of finishing for the back. Alright, I'm going to go set up this watch and be right back in 1 minute. Alright guys, I'm super excited because I just got my watch connected to my phone for the first time, the GTS 2. And let me just swipe through this user guide because I'm not going to take a look at it. Let me just hit get started. Good, I already have some battery in the watch, so I don't need to care too much about that. Let me just put my phone down for a minute and show you guys what we have here. again guys, this is it looks like a really nice display here. Let me zoom in a little bit more and compare it side to side with my old Amazfit watch. So notice again, we do have these slightly more curved edges. It is still a 1.65-inch AMOLED display. It's not the brightest right now because I haven't actually touched the settings, but this is how it looks like side by side. Once again, I would say that the main difference is on the side panel here, the right side of the watch, where we do have a slight curve here for some unknown reason. Maybe someone can tell me more about it down in the comment section, but this is how it looks like beside the Amazfit GTS 1. And the main difference, like I say here, is we do have this mic here right now, so you can answer calls on the watch itself. And flipping back to the back, this is the piano black shiny surface compared to the matte surface on the Amazfit GTS 1. Okay, putting that down, let's focus on this guy right now. So right here, we do have a very nice clock. This is a new clock face, a watch face only for the Amazfit GTS 2. And swiping to the right, here we do have our PAI, our Pi settings. Basically, it means that if it will track your activities based on a daily basis and give you a point system grading how well you are in terms of your lifestyle. So 100 points would definitely mean a better lifestyle compared to 0 right now. But obviously, I haven't done anything. So here we do have our rings. This is for the amount of activities. Note that everything is in Chinese right now because this is only available in China at the moment. So don't buy this watch right now unless you can read Chinese because you can't change the language of the Amazfit GTS 2. So moving on, let's just swipe on. Okay, this is for your heart rate. Oh, nice new interface, guys. So this is definitely newer compared to the previous one. Let me just show it to you real quick. Notice that it is a bit more smoother as well, guys. So if I just glide through, it is very smooth. Notice that fluidity here compared to the old one, which I would say is also smooth, but you notice that there is a bit of a drop in frame rates. So definitely smoother on the Amazfit GTS 2. I like this new weather widget as well. So everything looks a bit more rounder. You can swipe down to see more information from the weather widget itself. All right, so let's move into the, let's swipe down and see what we have here. Alright, so we have our notifications here, just like our previous setup on the Amazfit GTS 1. Pulling down from the top, we do have more control settings here. This looks very clean, very nice. We do have a little battery indicator here, as well as the weather. Alright, so apart from that, we do get this couple of shortcuts here, and you can swipe right and left now. So more shortcuts here, definitely compared to the old Amazfit GTS. Swiping to the right, this is where you get your Alipay payment. So this is only China specific for now. And if we swipe to the right, here we go back to our widgets. Okay, so if I just press the home button, let's see, we do get our list of applications in the watch. So once again, let me just move down and show you guys what we have here, give you guys a translation. So the top one here, it starts off with the Pi, and then we go into our heart rates. Next, we go into our SpO2 settings, so we can actually track your SpO2, your blood oxygen levels on this watch right now, a new feature. Moving down, we do have our sport modes. So we have 12 different sport modes here, ranging from like your outdoor running, your outdoor cycling, you know, running on the treadmill, swimming and all that. Yeah, it's just a basic set of activities that you expect to track on the watch. So moving back, let's see what else we have here. This is your activity records. So if you have any activities, you'll see all your records here on the watch itself. Moving back, let's see what else we have here. We have your stress test as well. So again, this is something new that wasn't present on the old Amazfit GTS. You'll be able to see your stress levels on this watch. Moving back, let's see what else we have here. We have our music. Yep, this is the music controls. So like I said, you can put a couple of songs in there. I can't remember how much storage we have here, but if I'm not mistaken, it's 4 GB of internal memory. And then you can put some songs in there and just connect it. I'll try this out in the full review, guys. Again, this is just the unboxing and initial impressions. Moving down, we do have our weather app, the alarm, some, you know, this is just the basic stuff, some tools here. So let's see what we have for our tools. We have the compass, your air pressure, we do have your countdown, your stopwatch and all that. So that's pretty much it for the Amazfit GTS 2, guys. So what's really new here is the blood oxygen tracking, the SpO2, the addition of a mic here to answer calls on your watch, and also the fact that we now have built-in memory so that you can put songs in there, so you can just bring your watch and just track it on the fly. Not to mention, we also have GPS built in as always into the Amazfit GTS 2, so you can track your activities without carrying your phone. And last but not least, the battery life of this device is apparently slightly shorter than the one on the Amazfit GTS. So previously, we had about 2 weeks of battery life based on one single charge, but right now it's only able to last a week. So I'll definitely be testing out more on the battery life of this Amazfit GTS 2 and report in the full review. Alright, so last but not least, let me just put this on and show you guys how it looks like on my wrist. So I have so many watches here, guys. Let me just try it on. and see how it looks like. Alright, so this is how it looks like. Again, looks very clean, very simple. I like this look right here, and it feels very nice. It feels very light as well, just like before. Oh, one thing, before I go, let me show you guys what kind of other watch faces we have. Let's see what we have installed in the watch itself. So looks like we can customize our widgets once more. Again, if hitting that, you can change the widgets here to show different kind of information that you want on the watch itself. So let's not choose that for now. Let's see what else we have. Swiping to the right. Oh, this is our old watch face that we have on the first GTS. And moving on, we also have this new face. Let's see what this does. Alright, doesn't look too interesting. Okay, let's move on and see. Come on, guys. Move. Okay, we do have this new watch face as well. One more here. Oh, this looks nice. Let me try this on. Okay, the watch faces definitely have improved compared to the Amazfit GTS one. These watch faces look so much better, guys. You'll definitely be pleased to see all this. We have the rings. Oh man, this is just so good. Alright, I'll show you guys more of the watch faces in the full review. For now, I'm going to stick with this because it has a lot of information here. Let me just try on the SpO2 test very quickly. Whoa, finally got that done. Okay, so finally got my reading. It says 99%. Apparently this is supposed to be a good score, and they have some kind of explanations going on at the bottom here, but not going to read all that. It's just too long. It basically means if you're above 95%, you're supposed to be good. But please don't quote me on that. Check out Google or your doctor or whatnot for your SpO2 readings. And yeah, that looks pretty good, guys. Very happy to have this new feature on the watch. Whew, this is feeling hot. This is really hot, guys. Like, seriously, it's feeling so hot. Alright guys, I think that's pretty much it for this video. It's just too hot. I gotta remove these headphones. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Anything you want to know about the Amazfit GTS 2, let me know. And of course, the price for this device right now is about 999 yuan in China, and that translates to about 150 US dollars or 600 ringgit if you're here in Malaysia. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Super excited. Bye!